We are a boutique firm specializing in the field of estate maximization, wealth creation, and preservation through the innovative uses of life insurance. Are you looking to maximize what you leave to your children, grandchildren, or favorite charities? Do you have an existing life insurance policy that hasn't been reviewed in many years? We'll show you how to optimize that life insurance policy by either increasing your face amount without affecting your premiums, or the other way around, reducing your annual premium by keeping the same face amount. Maybe you don't want the policy anymore, and we'll teach you about the life settlement marketplace. At the end of the day, education is key, and Howard Kaye Insurance is here to help you guide the way. Call today for your free no-obligation policy review. I'm Howard Kaye, and I would love to meet with you personally to share our ideas and innovative strategies on the many uses of life insurance to create more for your heirs and favorite charities.